Winter weather advisory in effect from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. EST Sunday. What? Snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 5 inches. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Where? Portions of north central and northwest Ohio. When? From 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. EST Sunday. Impacts. Plan on slippery conditions and poor visibility. Additional details. Rain will change to snow from northwest to southeast between about daybreak and midday on Sunday as colder air overspreads the area. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The Ohio Department of Transportation and Ohio Turnpike and Infrastructure Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.ogo.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions.